Hello everyone, welcome back to Min Farmer. Today, I'm gonna guide you guys how to update software to latest version automatically. Firstly, open the folder of software that you extracted. So, this is Max Phone Farm software. We will find folder Max Phone Farm. Then, you will see a line called Auto Update. The green one file, click it to update latest version of software. And it will show a dashboard of new version, update description and the current version you are using. Then, click Update to update the software. If you cannot update, and it show this error like on the screen. Please remember that, turn off the software that we are using before update software. When we close the software that using, so we can update software successfully. See, it updates success now. Now, please find the latest version below and send it to desktop. Please remember to check the code version so that you can use the latest version. The latest version now of Max Phone Farm is 25.11.10. Hope you all will update success by follow this video instruction. If you caring about the phone farm system, anti-detect, just hit a DM with information below. Thank you for watching.